Hello everyone, I'm Martin from my house. Today I'm very excited to show you a super rare gem. 999 years walkout apartment, huge 1485 square feet at a very affordable PSF of only 1,003 right here at East Coast Road, District 15. Let's go check it out. We are here at the apartment, although it's a walkout apartment, but it is not at level 3, not at level 4, but at level 2. So that makes your daily entry and exit very convenient. So over here, we have a 1,485 square feet single floor plate, very usable and very efficient rectangular layout. Over here, we have a super huge living and dining area spanning 8.3 meter in a very nice landscape layout, which means you can put your TV here, your sofa here, and also your dining table behind to enjoy Netflix while you eat your dinner. You do get a very nice space over here. You can put a nice coffee table or a secondary dining table to host your friends, or even just put that piano here to become a Mozart. You still do get a very nice storage space for you to put all the extra stuff. And the good thing about this walkout apartment is you do get very high ceiling height for the living and dining, up to 3.0 meters. And the nice thing is 4 aircon has been installed, one at the living area and each at the rooms. For families who need even more space because of this huge living and dining area, you can actually partition out another room from here because there are windows here, and this can be very comfortably your 4th bedroom. A huge squarish kitchen with lots of countertop space and cabinet space for you to store your pots and pans, and also you have gas stove for you to do the heavy cooking for wok hey, and lots of windows for ventilation as well. As we enter the yard, you can see that the yard space is also huge. You can put your washer dryer over here. You still have a very high ceiling for you to dry the clothes there. You do get your common toilet over here. Welcome to your first common room. Super duper huge and long, and you have windows all around to make that lighting very good. And for you, you can actually put a king size bed, queen size bed, or even 2 king size bed, also no problem. And you still have space enough for a study, and aircon is also just done up. And you get the space of 2 modern common rooms in one. Welcome to the second common room. You can see this second common room is also super huge as well and very squarish, which means it is very space efficient. You have a wardrobe done up. You can put a king size bed here, queen size bed here, study table, vanity table, everything you want also can. And then of course aircon is also done up. Come to the master room, super duper huge as well, and the facing here is over southeast, and you do get a lot of natural light coming in as well. An inbuilt cabinet has been done up. Same thing, you can put a king size bed, you can put a study table, you want to put a vanity table, you want to put anything you want. There's enough space. It do comes with a ensuite toilet as well. Ensuite toilet, and have you ever seen before a toilet that has 4.2 meter ceiling height? And this space is also very good for you to design your own showering area, and also maybe do up a very nice sink area for you to do your makeup and your daily showering needs. And this ceiling height makes the whole place look very spacious. Now let's talk about the location. This walkout apartment sits on East Coast Road, where there is lots of conveniences and lifestyle amenities. For parents, within 1 km we have Ngee Primary, we have St. Stephen and Approx Estate Primary School. And for your daily convenience, we have cold storage just down the road, as well as another NTUC FairPrice down the road as well. The bus stop is also nearby to get you to your daily needs. And East Coast Park is just round the corner. You can take a short walk or cycle over there to enjoy all your beachfront activities like jogging, cycling, or even have a picnic with your family. So if you're keen to view this extremely rare gem walkout apartment, 1485 square feet, 999 years leasehold here in East Coast Road, District 15, remember to contact me, Martin, from my house at 9127-8681 for your exclusive viewing.